Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to HONOR X7c. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Following that, choose whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of HONOR. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and choose Receive button. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!